Everything you need to know about the tire pressure for cars. A tire loses some of its pressure naturally, typically around 1 pound per square inch, 0.076 bars, per month. Pressure loss may be accelerated by other air leaks due to an accidental puncture. The valve, which must be changed each time a tire is changed. The valve cap, essential to guarantee an airtight seal. The wheel, which should be cleaned each time a tire is fitted. Follow the vehicle or tire manufacturer's advice, particularly with regards to conditions of use, load/speeds, etc. Check pressures when the tires are cold. Tires which have not been used in the last 3 hours or have covered less than 2 miles, 3 kilometers, at low speed. If tires are hot when they are checked, add 4 to 5 pounds per square inch, 0.3 bar, to the pressure recommended by the vehicle manufacturer. Recheck the pressures when the tires are cold. Never deflate a hot tire. Even if tires are inflated with nitrogen, the pressures and overall tire condition must still be checked frequently. A correctly inflated tire improves safety, is more economical in use and is better for the environment. How do you check tire pressure? 1. Insert the pressure gauge into the valve stem on your tire. 2. The gauge will pop out and show a number that corresponds to the internal pressure and the SI number. 3. The hissing sound is air escaping the tire. It shouldn't affect pressure substantially, unless you hold down the air pressure gauge for too long. 4. Compare the measured SI to the recommended SI. 5. If the SI is above the recommended number, let air out until they match. If it's below, add air until it reaches the right number. Where can you find the recommended pressure for your tires? In the vehicle owner's manual. On a sticker in the driver's or passenger's door, or the fuel tank door. Do not use the number on your tire's sidewall, as this does not indicate the pressure needed in your tire. About pressure gauges. Be careful if you are using a pressure gauge provided in a service station. These pressure gauges are often unreliable. Buy a high-quality pressure gauge and check its accuracy with a tire professional. Getting it right is important. Underinflated or overinflated tires can wear down faster than expected, have reduced grip, and can consume more fuel. It just takes a few minutes a month to help ensure your safety and the longevity of your tires. By keeping your tires at their correct pressure, you'll reduce your running costs. Underinflated tires are prone to overheating, use more fuel, and wear out more quickly. Likewise, overinflation can reduce tire life, reduce grip, and cause steering problems. Wear. A 20% underinflated tire can cover 20% less mileage. That means a loss of 5,000 miles, 8,000 kilometers, on a potential mileage of 25,000 miles, 40,000 kilometers. Fuel consumption and CO2 emissions. Low tire pressure increases both fuel consumption and CO2 emissions. Nitrogen, what are the benefits? Nitrogen is simply dry air with the oxygen removed. Air contains nearly 79% nitrogen. How is it used? Most tires are filled with compressed air. But some tire retailers have started to put nitrogen into their tires. Nitrogen and compressed air can be mixed. Most tires can be inflated with air or nitrogen, as long as the pressures recommended by the vehicle manufacturer are respected. The benefits? When nitrogen replaces oxygen, less air can escape from your tires, and your inflation pressure stays higher, longer. Tire inspection. Unfortunately, there are other possible causes of leaks: tire/rim interface, valve/rim interface in the wheel, so there's no guarantee of maintained pressure with either air or nitrogen. The pressure and overall tire condition must still be checked frequently. Valve, what should you know? What is the role of the valve? It ensures that the proper tire pressure is maintained. It blocks moisture from entering the tire. The valve cap is particularly important to help block dust particles from obstructing the valve. High-quality caps are recommended. Aging and damage. Valves are usually made of rubber and therefore age with time. They can be damaged by high speeds, causing air to leak from your tires. When should you change the valves? Whenever you buy new tires.